I did lose my aunt and uncle to COVID, which is very difficult for myself and my family because they were like my, I don't know, they were like my closest. I guess, like they would babysit me when I was younger, and like if I ever had an injury, like they would do everything they could to like try and like help me feel better. And it was just hard to lose them because like everybody in our family is just so close, and to lose like someone like that, especially to COVID, when there's already so much going on and my mental health was already like not as good because I'm not like where I'm at right now. The week I came back in June, I actually broke my foot the week after. So that was pretty hard because then I was out for another 2 months, and it was just like mentally so hard because the Olympics were canceled, and then we were already out of the gym, and then I had to be out of the gym for even longer because I broke my foot. Right now I'm just trying to compete for like everybody, like for the Hmong community, my dad and my family, you know, like just to like, I don't know, I want them to be proud of me. What helps me not focus on everything else that's going on is just going into the gym and working towards the Olympics every single day, because that's the one thing that'll always keep me motivated, and it's something that I wanted for so long, and I'm not going to give up until I make the Olympic team. So when I have a rough day, I just think about making the Olympics, and obviously like not every day is gonna be a good day in the gym, but I know that like if I like have a bad day and I just push through it, then it's all gonna work out in the end. It's so nerve-wracking knowing that I could like be an Olympian. Like that's just so scary, and thinking about all the upcoming competitions, it's gonna be so stressful. But I'm really excited because I feel like right now I'm doing pretty good in the gym. Messages from fans means a lot because it's something like that I would never thought would ever happen, and I never thought that I would ever make it this big in gymnastics. Because like growing up, I would always look up to like Simone or Nastia and all the past Olympians. So just to be someone that other people can be inspired.